Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Wi-Fi connection is having issues on Windows, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first thing we need to do is to make sure that the Wi-Fi connection is turned on. So we can see that it's connected. And the second thing we need to make sure is that the airplane mode is not turned off. Now if you want to check this, if this is not there in the bar here, we can right click on the start bar, go to settings, click on network and internet, and then make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on and that the airplane mode is off. Now the second thing we can do is right click on the Wi-Fi button, okay, and click on diagnose network problems. Now this will start the network troubleshooter, and if there are any issues, see there are no issues with my network, but if there are any issues on your network, it will sort it out. Now if that doesn't work for you, then you can try connecting on a different frequency band. So let me click on the Wi-Fi button here. Now if you see, I'm connected to the 5G band. So if this 5G band is not working for me, I can try the 2.4G band. Now most of our modem routers operate on two or more frequencies. So one is the commonly are the 5G and the 2.4G frequencies. So I can connect to 2.4G if I'm not getting a good connection on 5G. Now the other thing I can do is physically restart my modem and router. So you go to the modem router box and then switch it off. Say after 30 seconds you just switch it on again and it should start working. If that doesn't work, then we will update the network drivers. Maybe the driver is not updated. So right click on the start button, go to device manager and then look for network adapters. And then we will click on this wireless LAN card and click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers, and that should do the trick. Now if that too doesn't work, then we need to do some other steps. Now by now it should have worked. Now if that doesn't work, if you're still having problems either connecting Wi-Fi or you're having flitchy connections that keep going on and off, then we will do the following steps. So the first thing is we will look for internet options here in the search bar, and then we will go to advanced, and then we will click on restore advanced settings, apply, and then we will go to connections. In connections we will go to LAN settings and we will make sure that this box is checked, automatically detect settings, and not this box, use automatic configuration script. Also make sure that this proxy server here, this is unchecked, use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Click on OK, and then we'll just click on apply if anything is there and click on OK. And once that is done, we will also enter some commands in the command prompt. So these are the commands, you will find them in the description of the video. Now we will enter the commands one by one by going to command prompt. Click on run as administrator, very important folks, so run it in the elevated command prompt, and then click on enter. Okay, and then we will copy the other command and we'll paste it here and click on enter. And you can see it's written here, you must restart this computer. So after all this, we'll restart the computer. Then we'll click on Ipconfig, flushdns, click on enter, and then we will copy the other two commands. Now I'll not copy this command because what will happen is when I copy this command and paste it, my internet connection will disconnect because I have released the IP address. But once I copy this command and I paste it in command prompt, it will then renew or search for a new IP address and it will connect. Now once this is done, we will restart the computer and you should no longer face issues with your Wi-Fi connection not connecting or a sketchy Wi-Fi connection. So click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.